Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to a new video. And once again, we are in Maya. Now, before we dive into today's video, do me a solid. Let me know in the comments if you are enjoying the Maya videos. I kind of understand that that is what most of you prefer. So let me know if you want more Maya videos and if you enjoy them, right? That would make my day. And if you can find it in your hearts to hit that subscribe button, that would even be better, right? That would really make me happy. Anyway, today's video. So we got two objects here. I got a cylinder with a hole in it. Well, not a through and through hole, but nevertheless a hole in it. And I got this thing. So what we want to do is put the peg into the hole. Now, if we didn't know any other way how to do that, it would be very finicky because they are both at a very odd position. So I would have to hit W and kind of move it over here. And then over here, and then rotate it a little bit, and rotate it some more, and you get the idea, right? Very, very finicky. Now, luckily, there's another way to do it. So we're going to go back, Control Z or Control Z, depending on where you live. Yep. And what we're going to do is use a tool that you can find under Modify. So we're going to make sure we're in the modeling menu. We're going to go to Modify, and then there is the Snap Together tool. Now there's a snap align objects. I'm going to do that in another video. In this video, we're going to look at snap together tool. That will allow you to attach faces together, right? But in this scenario, what I want is the bottom vertex right here to align with the bottom vertex in this guy. So if I hit 4, right, that vertex right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to modify. We're going to go to snap together tool, click on it. Then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click on that vertex right there, and I get a little blue arrow, and then we're going to go and click on that one right here. And as soon as I do that, I get this kind of path line that shows me what's going to be connected with what, right? And it's a real time saver. So the only thing I have to do now is simply hit enter, and it will be aligned, right? And that can come in handy. I mean, this setup is not that complex, right? But you can have scenarios where you are working on a model and it's way more finicky to get it done. Now, we did vertex on vertex. You can also do face on face. So we have to go back in again, and let's go to Snap Together tool once again. And I'm going to go and let's say click on this face right here, right? And then we're going to go and click on this face right here. Again, you will see that path. The thing is though that it will attach the face to the face, but it doesn't mean that there will automatically be a perfect alignment as far as the position of this guy, right? So if I hit enter, you'll see that it attaches the two faces, right? But the rotation is off. In that scenario, you can still use it, right? It will get it roughly in position, and then you just have to rotate this guy. But it is still an option, right? I like the vertex scenario better. And in one of the next videos, when we go to modify and snap align objects, I'll show you that there are more options to work with, right? But yeah, that's it for now. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for hanging out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.